Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate, and get on with your day. If there is a specific issue for which you would like to see a video, please leave a comment. In a previous video, I've shown you how to install macOS in a virtual machine with QuickEMU. As mentioned, QuickEMU is built around the well-known QEMU, and it will automatically download the operating system of your choice and create the virtual machine. A link to this is in the description of this video for your convenience. I am sure you will have picked up on the fact that you can create a virtual machine from a plethora of operating systems, not just macOS. The creation, managing and starting of the VMs is done all from the command line or the terminal with QuickEMU. This could be exactly what you want, but in this video I would like to introduce you to QuickGUI. As I was used to Virtual Machine Manager and KVM, I simply tried to start the Virtual Machine Manager, but as expected, the virtual machine created with QuickEMU is not listed. Also, when I tried to create a new virtual machine in Virtual Machine Manager from QuickEMU's virtual disk by importing it as an existing disk image, that doesn't work. It doesn't get past the booting from hard disk step. Luckily, there is a graphical user interface for QuickEMU called QuickGUI, the topic of this video. QuickGUI is a graphical user interface for the QuickEMU Virtual Machine Manager. QuickGUI enables you to create and manage virtual machines from a simple and elegant interface. Nearly thousands of operating systems are supported, including Windows, macOS, BSDs, and hundreds of Linux distributions. They all come with automated downloads and configuration. To install QuickGUI, open a terminal, and if you have not already done so while installing QuickEMU, add the flexion.org personal package archive with the command sudo apt-add-repository ppa:/flexion.org/QuickEMU. Now update the packages with the command sudo apt-get update and install QuickGUI with the command sudo apt-get install QuickGUI. Now that QuickGUI is installed, we are ready to load the earlier created virtual machine, in this case macOS big-sur. I have pinned QuickGUI to the Ubuntu dock. As you can see, QuickGUI is part of the QuickEMU project. Note that there are two options in the main menu: Manage existing machines and Create new machines. To load the macOS virtual machine, click Manage existing machines and browse to the location where you have stored the virtual machine or existing virtual machines and click OK. That's literally all you need to do. Existing virtual machines are now loaded in QuickGUI and can be managed and started and stopped from this one central place. The interface and interaction with the virtual machine will look familiar, as it is fully integrated with SPICE, the simple protocol for independent computing environments. Creating new virtual machines from the command line with QuickEMU was already extremely simple, but it can be even easier. Just click Create New Machines, select an operating system and the version, click Download and sit back. Just as an example, I'm showing you all the macOS versions available. A large amount of Linux is also available, including all of the BSDs and even versions of Windows. You can also interact with the virtual machine via SPICE and SSH if needed. Going forward, you can create and manage your virtual machines from the command line with the commands shown in the earlier video with QuickEMU, but possibly with QuickGUI it just got even more convenient. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!